Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 9.2, ninth question. See, question is, form a piece of cardboard in the shape of a trapezium ABCD and AB is parallel to CD and angle BCD is 90 degrees. Quarter circle is removed. Given AB is equal to BC is equal to 3.5 centimeter and DE 2 centimeter, calculate the area of the remaining pieces of the cardboard. Pi, that is 22 by 7. Here everything given. Here we need to find out the remaining piece of the cardboard. This is one cardboard which is in the shape of a trapezium and this is a quarter circle. Okay. One quarter circle, it is removed from the cardboard. Then remaining piece we need to find out. Okay, area of the remaining piece. Everything given. Okay, here height trapezium, distance between two parallel sides 3.5 given, 2 centimeter, 3.5 centimeters given. First, very simple, just you have to calculate the area of trapezium, then area of quarter circle. Then from the area of trapezium you can subtract the area of quarter circle, then you will get the area of remaining piece of the cardboard. Very simple, just process. If you understand, you can able to do the calculation also. Very simple. Everything is given in the question that I wrote. Here everything given, no? AB, sum of these two we can calculate. Okay, so 2 plus 3.5, 5.5 centimeters. So now AB 3.5 centimeter. Sorry, BC. Now here distance between parallel sides BC 3.5, this one. Now area of trapezium formula, half into H into A plus B, half into H height to BC. Okay, now A plus B means here AB plus CD, AB plus CD, sum of parallel sides. Okay, now we can substitute height 3.5, sum of parallel sides 3.5 plus 5.5. Okay, now 1 by 2 into 3.5 into, if you add you will get 9. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 4.5s are 9, it will come, right? If you do cancellation, 9 by 2 if you divide also you will get 4.5. Now 3.5 into 4.5 if you multiply you will get 15.75 square centimeter, right? This is area of trapezium. After that you can calculate the area of quarter circle. Area of quarter circle EBC. Here it is EBC. Okay. Now radius R is equal to 3.5. Quarter circle radius 3.5. Here to here radius. And area of quarter circle formula pi r square by 4. Why? Because area of circle pi r square. Here quarter means 1 by 4th of that area of circle. So pi r square by 4. Simply you can substitute r value in this. Then you can calculate. See, pi value 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 4. Here 3.5 whole square. Why? Because r square, no? So now 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. We can multiply 2 times. Okay, by 4. Now if you do the cancellation with 4 table, 4 ones are, you can do the calculation and you can do the cancellation. You will get 5.5 into 0.5 into 3.5 remaining. So if you multiply these all three numbers, you will get 9.625 square centimeter. Okay, here area of the remaining piece of a cardboard is equals to area of trapezium minus 1/4 quarter circle, no? That area of quarter circle. Now 15.75 minus 9.625. If you do the subtraction, you will get 6.125 square centimeter. Okay, very simple, no? I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.